Hi everyone, it's time for the big reveal. I have been working on this course for months and I have packed most of what I've learned over the many years as an interior design professional about creating beautiful homes into this course. I am so excited to bring this program to you because I know it's going to change your life. This is a course all about homemaking, what it takes to become an envied, competent homemaker. It's an 8-week course and it's all about our homes and how you can gain the skills to create a welcoming, warm, inviting home for yourself, your friends, your family. You will be introduced to exercises that will help you to develop and refine your own unique aesthetics. You will learn how to eliminate what's not working in your home, and you will become clear on what to bring into your home and how to nurture it. So if you are passionate about your home, but a little bit unsure on how to make it into the beautiful sanctuary that you desire, then check out this offer, and I hope to see you in the course.